Hey guys, Tyler from North Mountain Knives here, and today I want to show you how I set my rivets for my Kydex sheaths. This is a quick little shop tip video. So when you get a rivet, it comes looking like this, right? You stick that through the hole you drill in your sheath, and you roll that straight end over, and you get this little tool here, and you got a little anvil that it goes down into, and that's how you roll them. Now, the ideal way to do this is to have what's called an arbor press, which is something specifically made for putting pressure down. But if you don't have one, which I don't, just because it hasn't been in the North Mountain Knives budget yet, I intend to get one eventually, you can use your drill press. So I've got the pointy part, or whatever it's called, chucked into my drill press, and in this vise I have the anvil here, and I've got them lined up. And you can also see I've got a piece of wood here to brace this table, because I don't want to be putting a bunch of pressure on my table. So what you do, well, there's two different size rivets. Hold on a second. Not sure where that rivet came from. Okay, so what you do, and caveat, is this good for your drill press? I don't know. I mean, somebody would probably say probably not. Somebody else would probably say, yeah, it's perfectly fine. Especially for one of these cheap wind drill presses, I don't know if it has an effect on them or not. You know what I mean? So do this at your own risk. But you can chuck it up and then really quickly, boom, roll your rivets without an arbor press. It's like that. There you go, guys. That's my video for today. It's pretty short and to the point. Everybody have a good day.